To download Trust Wallet login, start by opening the App Store on your device, either Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS. Search for Trust Wallet in the search bar and select the official Trust Wallet app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, open the Trust Wallet app and click on Create a new wallet. You will be given the option to either import an existing wallet or create a new one. If you are new to Trust Wallet, select Create a new wallet and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. You will be asked to create a password and given a recovery phrase that you should write down and store in a safe place. This recovery phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. So it is very important to keep it safe. After setting up your wallet, you can log into your Trust Wallet account using your email address and password. If you encounter any issues during the download or login process, you can visit the Trust Wallet website for troubleshooting guides and customer support. It is also important to note that Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet, meaning that you are in control of your private keys and funds at all times. This provides an additional layer of security, but also means that you are responsible for keeping your wallet and recovery phrase safe. By following these steps, you can easily download and log into Trust Wallet and start using it to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Remember to always follow best practices for wallet security, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your software up to date.